Hello fellow traders, welcome back to the channel once again. I just want to show you quickly a trade that I took and why I always tell you you shouldn't be married to one bias, to the sell side or the buy side. Okay, this is the pound yen. Okay, so before, my anticipation was that since the daily close very high yesterday, I'll be looking for a buy today. Okay, so based on my price action, market structure and stuff, I had earlier on a buy confirmation around around this area. I think 169.6. Okay, so price was ranging here, and when I saw the market close below, okay, you can see my trend line was here. Then I quickly closed the trade because I think minus 900, because the trade based on the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes chart, the bias has changed. Okay, so I put this trade in the free group, and our TP was 170.5. Okay, so the trade came and took us out. The stop loss was here, 155.5, 169.5. So I waited, price came down. Okay, and when I saw this invalidation here, I could have gone in here because I do more of aggressive trading, but I said let me wait. And when I see this bullish engulfing candle here, I got in here at 169. Okay, I know where my stop loss is. My stop loss is going to be here, but I didn't put the stop loss because this is a scalping. So normally when I enter the trade, I have my stop loss mark and I want price to go before I put my stop loss. So now, as long as price stays above 170.8 here, this is going to go at least 100 points from my entry, or possibly I may even get more. Okay, so you always have to know your bias and look at the history of the trades. This is the pound yen I was talking about, and look at I had a trade on euro pound. Okay, euro pound, as you can see, buy. But what happened, I always tell you, the bias of the market can change. Okay, so this was a fake out. So as soon as I recognized that this is a fake out, I got out of that trade. Okay, and that was you can see the losing trades. Okay, it doesn't matter even. And this is also a very good trade on the New Zealand dollar, USD, and also a very good trade on the look, that's the trade that I've taken this morning. This is one trade on the pound yen as well. When you realize the bias and look at New Zealand dollar, USD, I had two trades, both good entries, and also a very good trade in Aussie USD. But what has happened, I'll show you both. Okay, so I've showed you this already. So now when I look at my order flow, this was the sellers coming in, so I have to go out. So I have to wait for either a sell confirmation to scalp, or I have to wait for a buy confirmation to scalp. Let me show you the mistake I did on the Aussie USD and the New Zealand dollar USD. Okay, so this is a price action normally I trade. So you can see a nice breakout trade, okay, that I had taken, a nice breakout trade that I have taken from here. Then trade runs into good profit, and you can see this is a fake out. So I should have actually jumped in right here, which I didn't. Okay, these things happen because I was my focus on the pound yen. Okay, so when I got out of this trade, I said, okay, well, if you've gone, then let me look at the pound yen. But then I could have had a nice entry again confirmation, and this would have been a very good 60-point profit for me on scalping, and that would have been me done for the day. Okay, so you can see how the structure was. I had a trade, a very good entry here. Price came out close above structure, then there was a pullback. Okay, so that was the pullback which I got out and I didn't pay attention. And there's a similar thing for the USD or ZUSD. So this one actually had two good entries. Okay, the first one I think was somewhere here. Yeah, the first one was somewhere here because I have that demand. Okay, I have a structure, I have a zone here. Okay, I have a zone here, then I have another breakout here. So this was a breakout trade as well. Okay, so when price wasn't doing what I expected to do, I actually closed the trade and boom, I think another 40 points or 50 points. So you can see how I don't let my losing trades run. Okay, because more of a one, if I'm doing 5 points, my highest I want to lose is about 1,000. I don't want to lose more than that, and I'm making either 1,000 or 1,000, 2,000 or more. Okay, so that's how normally I do scalping. Okay, so the reason why most people also fail is that they always see someone being a successful trader and they just go out and want to copy his strategy. My brothers and sisters, you cannot do that. In trading, you need to look for what works for you. Okay, I am a trader, I am a teacher, educator. I can teach you, but you cannot trade the way I am. My job is to teach you how to understand the market, how to read the market, how to identify zones. Then you do application, sit down, and then find out what happens to you. Okay, so when I started learning trading, my mentor who taught me from a losing trader into a winning trader is a position trader. Okay, not a day trader. So I know how to trade position trading, which I normally take my trades on 4-hour, daily, and weekly charts. Okay, and when I started to do day trading, I was struggling because all I know is position trading. So I can make a lot of profit. I don't take my profit, and it can go. So I have to learn. I have to see what I was doing wrong as a day trader, find what works for me as a day trader, and then do the application. Once I did that and I corrected the mistakes that I usually do, then I found success. Okay, so you can see both the pound, if you look at the euro, New Zealand USD, and the Aussie USD, which I got out, it looks like it still has more room probably to go before probably it will show some sign of weakness and exhaustion. Right now we don't have a lot of buyers coming in, so we can see the momentum dropping a lot. So this is normally what I wanted to show you. So understand, learn, practice, and don't give up. Okay, I'll see you another time. Have a good day.